Hello world, hello everybody. Welcome to Apps or Webs Learning Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to use a QR code. A QR code is easy to use, but like some clients uh, I've generated some barcode for them. Still ask how do they use it. So I've been explaining, demonstrating, so I decided I should make this video, make it short, send it to them, share with the whole world. It's very easy. It's something you could scan anything in less than 20 seconds. All you need is to have a phone. Um, the new generation phone, the new models, they have the camera is able to read the code. Old generation phones, you might have to install a software that reads barcode, which I will send a link so they can install if your phone cannot read from the camera. So basically, what you do, here I have a code on my tablet. This is actually my business card. It's actually my business card. And then in my business card, there's a barcode. And then the type of barcode that is best is the QR code. The QR stands for quick response. It's very fast and it can save a whole lot of data in this small QR code you're seeing here. You could save a link to your website, a link to your social media account, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, a link to your telephone number, a link to your WhatsApp number, a link to a documentary, a link to an autograph. There's a whole lot of use case of a QR code, because a code of this nature, you could even use it like maybe if you're burying someone, you could use it on the tombstone, and all somebody needs to do is to point the camera and you could read the whole story, the life story, the story of the deceased, the person that is lying 6 feet below. You could you could use it on your status. You could use it on your DP. You could use it on your sites. You could use it anywhere. All you need to do to access the information here is to scan the barcode. And to scan the barcode, you need to turn on the internet on the device that has the camera. You point it to this small code, and any information, any detail, any data on it will open on the phone you're pointing to it, and then you can read or watch. So let me show you an example how to point it, because that's where the big deal is. That's where I've been getting a lot of questions. So this is an Android phone, Samsung. You could use an iPhone, you could use any phone. This is the camera on the phone. You click on the camera. You pick up the device that has the barcode. You point to the barcode. The patient, you see something just popped up. A link just popped up. You click on the link. The site or the data behind the barcode will open, and this is the link to my website, appsorwebs.com. I hope this video simplifies how to use or how to scan and use a barcode or a QR code. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe, like, and share. Have a nice day wherever you are. Bye.